Okay, Milliger fans, we are super excited. It's Kara.
And Cara.
And we are going to talk to you about something brand new in the design department. We have an awesome workshop coming up. It is Saturday, June 15th. It's that morning. What time did we say?
10:30.
10:30. Perfect. Okay. I thought 10 was a little early, 11's a little late, 10:30 is perfect.
Yeah, mimosa time.
Mimosa time. That's what time that is. And we're doing this jumbo bow workshop. So this is pretty cool. And we'll see how this goes because then we're planning on doing future ones. But, you know, a wreath is always fun, but this is something completely brand new, which I think will be a great update for people's decorations.
Agree.
Just in time for
4th of July.
And you can get these awesome hats here at Milliger's too.
Or
these glasses. Or both.
So you can swag yourself
That's
out.
right.
Totally.
Swag yourself while you're doing your decorations here. But we've got 3 options, and I think they're really cool.
They are very cool.
So what are the 3? I'll try to bring this over a little bit so we can see them a little closer.
So we have fireworks.
Ooh.
I can hold them. Let me just take them down and hold
Bring
them.
them
There we go.
closer. Okay, got it.
So there's the firework version.
Very fun, very festive.
Here is, if you're not into all the glitz and glam, here's a little bit more of a vintage, kind of a more natural 4th of July look. I like that. And then
It's going to be hard to figure out which one
I
you would
know.
do.
This is our flag style, and I just love that this ribbon has the God Bless America sentiment in the
is very
tails.
cool.
It's very cool. So those are our 3
3.
styles. We're going to just let them lay down now,
All
and
right.
we're going to be making.
We're going to give you a little sneak peek of how this is going to work, okay? So that is the bow and go bow maker. It's going to make it really easy. And Cara is going to show us kind of a little bit of how this will work because everybody's going to be working on one of these, right?
Everyone is going to get one of these to use to make their bow. And we will make a kit of ribbon for you as well. So we'll show you the kit at the end. But the bow and go opens up like this. It folds up really neat inside its little box and it opens up. So what we're going to do with that during our class is it has a series of pegs down the middle. And your ribbon's going to be pre-cut for you to do this. And you just start by laying in your ribbon. So it's a series of loops.
Well, this
and
is
tails.
So great because you don't have to try to hold it.
You
in
don't
your
have to
hand.
hold all this.
You're
You
not
could
gonna get a
never
hand
hold all
cramp.
that. Yep. And so you just tuck in your loops and tails. I'll just grab one more piece out of this kit and show you. And it really is up to how what direction you want them, how long you want your tails. It's going to be kind of a a la carte, and everybody's going to design on their own.
Very
so
cool.
you work your loops and tails in there. Sometimes I like to take something and push them down and keep building your series up and out. And when your bow is finished, we're just going to slip a zip tie underneath. I'll show you how that goes.
You're like, as long as
I
I'm
have
here,
one
I
right
might as well
here.
just keep
We're
going.
going to slip that underneath and bring it around, and your whole bow will be held together tight in the middle.
Very cool.
Now, I'm not going to zip it together yet because I haven't used all the ribbons in the kit. But this is the version that I'm working on right now. And you can see we can add these really fun curly cues in there. We also have some interesting, red, white, and blue flags and just little embellishments that if you want to add in,
these.
you
These are
can
great.
add into your
Little
bow
extra
at the end.
dimension, I think is pretty
Yeah,
cool.
just a little something whimsical and fun. So that's our class.
Oh, I'm so excited for this because this
know,
is
it's
something
really-
we've never
it's
done before.
different.
And I don't think that people have seen this
Right.
anywhere else.
Very different, very unique, and everyone's going to be an excellent bow maker, I promise. This system with the bow and go makes it so easy to do. So you'll get the use of your bow and go, and then if you can swing us around right
Yes, I
here,
can. Coming right around.
we will have your ribbon.
Can you guys see that?
We
This
will
is
have
what it
your
will look like.
ribbon choices already cut for you. And
I
then,
love that. So everything's all lined up here, ready to go.
yep,
Saves you a lot of time.
it sure
You
does.
do the hard part, and you get to have the fun.
Yep, and you
So,
do the fun, and you get to drink a mimosa while you're doing it.
That's right.
So go online, sign up, choose your style, and we will go ahead and customize and custom cut your ribbon for you, and have it all ready for you to build your bow, and we'll help you through the process. We'll help you with some suggestions, and just to go home with a fabulous bow.
Or a hat.
Or hat.
And a hat.
or glasses.
All right, guys. So let us know what you think of this class. We're super excited for it. And we are planning to do another one of these in the fall, too. So if you're going to, don't miss this one.
We should do a Halloween one.
We are.
Yeah,
I
okay,
ordered
good.
all the fun ribbon
Okay,
for
good.
that.
Halloween,
so, yes,
fall,
for sure.
Christmas.
But you do not want to miss this. Something completely brand new, and we're so excited for it. And our design team are complete experts, so don't be intimidated. Don't be afraid. This bow and go makes it so easy.
It does.
Yes. So
it
we'll
does.
see you on Saturday, June 15th at 10:30 here at the Racine store. We'll have the mimosas ready for you, all your ribbons cut for you, and you just get to do the fun part. So we'll see you soon.
See you then.